Hello guys, and welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and I must say a big thank you to you guys for contacting me and thanking me for this morning analysis. I know quite a number of you made a lot of profit right from there. Okay, most of our analysis, it's the take profit, and that was amazing. This got to the support zone and we said it's going to be buying, and you can see it right from here. It got to this TP, TP2, TP3, and of course bought to you. It got to this TP 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's TP4, but it didn't get to the last TP before it pulled back. Okay, but I think this is cool enough for each and every one of us. Okay, so that's amazing. Now let's check out boom 500. This is boom 500. This actually played around for a while, and just the way we have seen it, okay, it's coming down gradually. Okay, this is the first TP. When got to the second TP, pull back and still add it all over again for a second, and it's going towards the third TP right now. It will be small. Okay, it just got to the third TP at the moment, and it will be going to the fourth TP right from there. And of course, this is why I said you can be making up to $100 or more than that on daily basis. Okay, I've seen so many amazing results. Already. You can see these actually went straight. I mean, it was crashing, rather it was crashing, so I said it will crash and get to TP1 2 3, and it got to this region, and thereafter it went up again. Okay, you can see it. If you had gone through this, then definitely you can also swing the other way around. Okay, now let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500 right from near bot 1 2 3 4, and of course 5 6. Okay, all TP smashed, guys. All TP smashed, guys. So this is amazing. This will have made a lot of profit right from here. So guys, I'm really happy that we are able to achieve this together. Okay guys, quickly we will be going into what we have for today, but in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice, and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, this is the time for $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and these are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with it. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Now let's move on, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, just like you guys have known, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Okay, this went on uptrend but came to an end around this resistance zone, and of course went back on downtrend, pull back, and it will be trying out this support zone again to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But for now, this is still more of a sell trend. Sell trend than a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is boom 500. This is definitely selling at the moment, and of course you can see it has been selling, broken getting to all the TPs, and it has just crossed the third TP, and it will be moving up to till it gets to this particular TP. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity also than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This went on buy trend and of course got to an end at this resistance zone, and right now it is selling at the moment. So this is also going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now to crash 500 guys. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This is buying at the moment, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It pulled back. It will be trying it out again to see if it will break out from that resistance zone. Once broken, then definitely the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. which is going to be this. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the final asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it right from this resistance when it started a downtrend, and it is selling at the moment, even though it has got into this support zone, which might lead to a pullback, but it will still come back there to try it out to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then the next support zone is what we should be looking out for, which is going to be somewhere here, guys, somewhere here. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, guys, these are all the assets that we are able to come about, that we are able to analyze tonight. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you take your time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account? And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.